Meaning of freezing.
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 Freezing. Freezing is a physical process in which a substance transitions from a liquid to a solid state due to the removal of heat energy. The transition occurs when the temperature of the substance drops below its freezing point. During freezing, the molecules in the substance slow down and move closer together, forming a crystalline structure. This process can result in various changes to the substance, such as changes in texture, density, and appearance. Freezing is commonly used in food preservation, scientific research, and industrial applications.